This is the video about fixing C50 Pro. You can use the same for C50 Plus and C50. The helmet I'm fixing the device is the LS2 modular helmet. Step 1. First, open the Bluarmor C50 Pro box. Pick up both the helmet speakers, the harness, C50 device clip, and mic and keep it separately. This is important since it will be easy for you to fix it easily. Step 2. Pick up the helmet and decide the place where you want to place the device mount. Make sure there is no curves and bends. Then fix it to the clip and mount the clip to see if it fits right in. Then remove the 3M tape cover and stick it. Once sticked, remove the mount and press the tape so that it will fix firmly. Step 3. Switch placing. First, decide where you want to fix the switch. Make sure no curves or bends are in the place. Once decided, remove the 3M tape and place the switch here. Step 4. Take the speakers, remove the tapes from the back and place it inside the helmet. Make sure you mark the place where your ears are so the sound will come correctly to your ears. Step 6. Take the device and connect at the back. Now take the multi-wire that has blue, red, gray, and white and connection and fix it to the wires what has same colors. Step 7. Connect the mic. Remove the tape from it and stick it inside. Final step. Fix all the cushions of the helmet. Now you are ready to use the C50 Pro. Fix the device and turn it on and see if everything is working. Check the mic speakers as well. If you have any questions or doubts, please comment below and I'll answer as soon as I see it. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe and support.